What is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers. These numbers, however, must have something called common difference D. In other words, two successive numbers or two numbers that follow each other must have the same difference. Let's look at an example. The distance between this number and this number is what? Is 2. The distance between this number and this number is also 2, and so forth. So this sequence is called arithmetic sequence, and the common difference D is equal to 2. Let's look at another example. Suppose I give you the following sequence. Is that an arithmetic sequence? Let's see. What's the difference here? It's negative 0.5. What's the difference here? Negative 0.5. What's the difference between this number and this number? So you take 1 minus 1.5, you get negative 0.5. In this case, the common difference is negative 0.5, and it's negative because the numbers are decreasing. But whenever you have the numbers increasing, then the common difference will be positive. One more example. What is the common difference D? Okay, so you take one number minus the number before it. So that would be 1/2. And it's positive because the numbers are increasing. So that's it. This is an arithmetic sequence. Now let's look at some extra activities about this. Suppose I give you A1, that means the first element of the arithmetic sequence. Let's say it's 5. A2, let's say it's 8. What would be A3? Well, that's easy. First you find the common difference, which is 3. So you just add 3. So you will get 11. How about A4? Well, plus 3, that's 14. You can keep going and then find, how about A20? So you can keep going, find A5, A6 all the way, but until you get to A20. But that will take some time. What if I ask you what is A of 100? That means what is the 100th element? You can't keep going like this. That would take forever. So there must be a formula that we can use. And here is the formula. AN, again, A stands for the number, and then N stands for the position of that number. So this is the number that we want. This is the position. Is it the first number? Like A1 is the first number, A2 is the second number, A3 is the third number. So we're looking for A of N is going to be equal to A1, and of course A1 is the first number that we started with, plus D, the common difference, times N minus 1. So this is the formula that we use to solve for this question. So now let's apply this formula to find our answer. So A of 20, that means the 20th number, is going to be equal to A1, which is 5, plus D, which is 3, times N. Remember, N is 20, right? N is 20 because that's the 20th number that I want, minus 1. Let's see what that is. So that will be 5 plus 3 times 19, 62. Okay? That simply means if I keep going, I will get to 62. How about A of 100? So again, remember, A1 is 5, A2 is 8, which means that the common difference D is 3. I want to go all the way to A100. So using the formula makes it easy. I will take A1, which is 5, plus D, that is 3 times 100 minus 1, 302.